Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with our next topic, which is screen elements. In this topic, we will see how the SAP screen looks like, which are the different components of the SAP screen, and what is the use of all those components. So let me get into the screen straight away. Okay, so here you can see that when you log into an SAP system, this is the command field. Okay, there is a menu bar. This is the menu bar. This is the standard toolbar. Here you can specify options. This is your title bar. You can see this is the title of this particular activity. This is the application toolbar. This application toolbar changes depending on the command that you execute. Input field, this is where you specify something to input. Okay, then here you can see there are different tabs are here. These are the radio buttons. You can see there are check boxes here. There are push button here. So this screen is made up of various screen elements. It doesn't exist in the system. Okay, so basically the different components have come together and it's presented as a complete screen. So these are the different screen elements you can see. Okay, so let's see how it looks like in the system. So let's go into the system straight away and see how it is there in the system. So this is the SAP system that we have, and we have seen the command field. So this is the command field. You can specify different transaction codes here. Say for example, I specify say SU01. This is where you maintain and manage your users. And at the top, you can see that how this particular screen has this bar changed. Okay, so this is called the application toolbar. And if I go back, you can see that this application toolbar is different. If I go to some other transaction, say for example, if I go to say SE38 transaction code, and you can see that this application toolbar is different here. Okay, so that is about the application toolbar. Now at the top you can see is the menu bar. Here you can see that program, edit, go to, these are the different utilities, the environment. So this is extremely important. This remains almost constant whenever you move around between different screens, different transaction codes. And these are some of the most commonly required functions which is there. And we will see each of these functions slowly. Okay, so that is about this particular menu bar. Then this is your standard toolbar. In the standard toolbar, you can see that this is the command line. This is where you input your command. These are the different pages. Say for example, this is a back arrow to go back. Okay, if I just click on here, it will take me to the previous screen. Say if I just click here, you can see that I am into the previous screen. So let me go back and go to the next. So here you can see that this is for exit. So if I just click here, it will exit from that particular T code. Okay, so that is about exit, and here you can see that this is for cancel. Say for example, some transaction is taking a lot of time and you want to get rid of it, you can just come here and you can just stop transaction. Okay, so that transaction will be stopped. Okay, then here you have things like, you can see that this is your customized layout. This is using this you can customize your layout. Okay, then this is the help button and application toolbar. Just note the application toolbar, how it changes when you change from one screen to another screen, one T code to another T code. Say for example, let me go to this T code called AC16. Okay, so here you can see that this is different. Okay, so and you can see that how I am going from one screen transaction to another transaction. Say for example, I goes to AC16. So instead of going back to the main screen, if I just want to go to AC38 directly from here, I just need to specify say /n AC13. Okay, so I can go to this screen and you can see the application toolbar. Okay, then we have things like this is where you specify the program you want to run. This is your status bar at the bottom. Okay, then you have your input window that you want to enter. This is where you specify or you select the option that you want to run. Okay, so this is so as we have seen the title bar. Okay, so title bar in this particular case is this is your title bar, ABAP editor initial screen. Okay, if I go to some other T code, I will see different title bars. Say for example, if I go to say SE80, this will not go like this. We need to go to /n SE80 if I want to go directly from here. Okay, so I just give /n SE80. So it will take me to that particular screen. Okay, so we have seen that this is your menu, this is your application toolbar. Okay, then this is where you select the options and this is your input screen. Okay, so you may get in case if some information is there, so it will come something like this. Okay, here you can see that this is your ABAP development workbench. So this is where all the development work, the coding work takes place. Okay, so this is one very important screen, especially for the ABAP developers. And we will see what is an ABAP in an SAP system. Okay, ABAP actually is a programming language for SAP. So it's proprietary to SAP. It is used in SAP only. Okay, so that is pretty much I wanted to cover in the screen elements. Thank you for joining me and have a nice day. Bye bye.